This is Ghulam Qadir from Apex Machinery Private Limited. First of all, I would like to introduce my company. Basically, Apex Machinery belongs to the same group as Allied Engineering and Services, dealers of Caterpillar in Pakistan and Afghanistan. I would like to tell you something about Apex Machinery. Basically, most of you would be well known of Allied Engineering. Apex Machinery basically deals in the construction machinery, the overall construction solution we provide here in the Pakistan. We have many facilities like in Karachi, Islamabad, Lahore, Faisalabad, Multan. We have our regional office in here in Karachi. Karachi is also our headquarters. You can see this screen, and this really tells the whole story of our company, which includes the construction machinery, earth moving machinery, and the port machinery. And this is a self-loading truck crane, and this is a crane, and these are pump pile driving machine. So these are the equipments we deal in under the name of Apex Machinery Private Limited. Let's discuss some of the products which has been placed here at our stall. This is the Sani, our prime product of Sani. This is a mobile concrete pump. Basically, this is a solution for concrete. Most of the times we have seen that people used to use the pump and the placing boom accordingly, right? This can give you the solution for both. Like this is the pump and this is a placing boom. You can pump it anywhere, and this really has the boom of up to 60-meter length. So this is the well solution for Pakistani market as well as the international market. We have not seen this practice so much in Pakistan, but right now this is really a good solution for Pakistan market to be. This should be, I think, this should be the practice here in Pakistan as well. One more product we have is the Caterpillar's brand. As I told about Allied Engineering, in Allied Engineering we deal with Caterpillar. So here is a Caterpillar brand that what we called as SAM. This is basically the Chinese brand this is the 100% owned Caterpillar company, and they are manufacturing and they are serving for Chinese army for last 40 years. And this is very much reliable and robust structure. And we have also sold so many units of SAM here in Pakistan and has not got any of the complaint here. So this is, I think, very good machinery. This is working under the CPS, the Caterpillar production system, and Caterpillar technology has been included in the production. Sani crawler crane is the world largest crawler crane, and Sani crawler crane, they have the huge amount of variety, and this crawler crane really working very much progressive, working very fine all over the world, and it has really good market all over the world. Now I would like to tell you about some concrete machinery. Sani concrete machinery is best around the world. They have bought the Putzmeister, which was German company. So now you can see that how much fast Sani is progressing. And this is the port machinery for Sani. And in port machinery, we basically deals in empty container handler as well as the reach staker. These are very widely used in Chinese market as well as UAE market, and they all are working very well in America and in Europe as well. And recently I've heard some figures that they have sold more than thousands of units. Likewise, 3,000 or 4,000 units of Sani port equipment. So this is really what we say that potential equipment for our market, and this is very much really cost. If we talk about the cost, they're very much cost efficient, and the maintenance cost is very low as because of, and Apex Machinery just also provides the after sales and support services for this variety of range. We have been participating in Build Asia for last couple of years, and I must say that this exhibition really works very good for us, and we have got so many potential buyers and customers, and we have really got so many inquiries throughout the years just because of this exhibition. And I must say that people should participate in the exhibition in order to get potential buyers. And whosoever wants any inquiry about our company, whatever the brands we are supporting, can contact us. Our UAN number is 111250250, and our website is www.aml.com.pk, and we have our mailing address apexapex@aml.com.pk. Thank you very much.